Are you looking for info about St. George home window installs? Well, you're in the right place. In today's fast-paced world, making the right choices for your home can be overwhelming. Home window installations can be a substantial investment, but with the right insights, it can be a fantastic step towards improving your home's value and efficiency. Let's dive into the top 3 mistakes homeowners make during window installation. First, many overlook getting multiple home window install estimates from local contractors. This can lead to overpaying or missed opportunities for better service. Second, choosing the cheapest option without researching can backfire. Focus not only on price but also on quality and reviews. Lastly, many fail to consider energy efficiency ratings, which can impact long-term costs. To avoid these mistakes, always compare several quotes to get a comprehensive understanding of fair pricing. Invest time in researching the quality of materials and reviews of window installers. Finally, prioritize energy-efficient windows that reduce long-term costs, enhancing your home's comfort and value. Home window installs in St. George are distinct due to the region's unique climate. High sun exposure requires windows that not only look good, but also protect from UV rays. Additionally, understanding local homeowners' preferences can significantly impact your choices and installation strategy. Statistics show that homes with better window installations can increase their resale value significantly. A recent survey indicated that 70% of homeowners noticed lower energy bills after installing energy-efficient windows, making it not just a cosmetic upgrade, but a smart financial decision. Well, let's start with the big question. How long does the installation take? Most installations are completed in a day, depending on the size and number of windows. The second frequent query is, what types of windows do you offer? From double hung to casement, having numerous options is key. Now finally, homeowners often ask about maintenance. Now, regular cleaning and checking seals can enhance your window's lifespan. Most window companies offer maintenance tips to ensure longevity. So asking your contractor for specific upkeep advice is vital for your window's health. Homeowners frequently ask, what's the average cost for window installation in St. George? Estimates vary, but budgeting around $500 to $1,000 per window is common. Know that investing in quality often pays off in comfort and energy savings in the long run. Wrap up your window journey by calling us now for a free, no-obligation quote. Contact 435-900-8696 or visit homewindowsstgeorge.com. Take that step towards an energy-efficient and beautiful home today.